Morning, here with Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We're here today in Strathroy, Ontario. We are doing a mobile home with an addition, so you can see the flat roof behind me. The flat roof ties into some shingles, so we have some detail work around there. We got some metal flashing work around. It is a 4-ply system. We're going to recover it and put a new 2-ply system on top. So we have some boards to put on. I'll show you what it looks like. Thank you. Okay, we're back. We came up top of the roof. The dimensions of this roof is about 30 feet by 17 feet. And we're tying into the shingles. So we got existing 4-ply with pea stone. We're going to put a recovery board on top of that and fasten it down, and then put a base sheet and a cap sheet. We have some metal flashing around the outside. Again, pretty straightforward. You've probably seen us do this before. We'll show you what it looks like once we start getting the board down. Thank you so much. Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We finished the job here in Strathroy. Turned out beautiful. Client's going to have a beautiful roof for years to come. New metal flashing on the outside, tied in with the shingles to my left, and we just had drip flashing on the outside. Now they've turned into a new modified 2-ply modified system. One of the advantages of a 2-ply modified system is that now you can see if you have any maintenance to do on the roof, it's visible and it's easy to see. It costs a lot less down the road, and you can just maintenance over the years, it would cost a lot less. Anyway, Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. If you live in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com.